Hey friends, if you're looking for quick, high-protein vegan breakfasts that take only 5 minutes or less to prepare, then this video is for you. Bookmark this video right now and add it to your breakfast playlist because this is going to be one that you'll be having on repeat. These are perfect for anyone new to plant-based eating, or if you've been doing this for a while and just need new flavor-packed ideas to start your day strong. Every recipe is filled with protein, nutrients, and energy to keep you full and focused longer. You know, before we dive into this vibrant smoothie bowl, I have to tell you, smoothies have always been my go-to breakfast, especially when we lived in Puerto Vallarta. That place was almost always hot and humid, and nothing beats starting the day with something so refreshing and cooling. After my morning yoga workouts there, a big hydrating smoothie was essential. It was the perfect way to replenish and get ready for the day, feeling totally refreshed. And that's why this next recipe, a papaya mango smoothie bowl, it holds a special place in my heart. Beyond just tasting amazing, papaya fruit itself is packed with goodness. It's loaded with antioxidants like vitamin A, C, and E, which are fantastic for protecting against heart disease. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory properties and can really aid digestion. And while most people discard these little black gems, I always keep them. I actually like to swallow a tablespoon of these papaya seeds for my gut health. They are incredible. Being here in Guanajuato, surrounded by all this incredible food culture, really inspires us. You know, my husband Jimmy has always been a huge fan of pancakes and cornbread, so it was only natural that I combine his favorites into something truly special. Which brings us to our next recipe, my savory cornbread pancakes with Beyond sausage. These are my take on a comfort food classic, made with pantry staples you probably already have. These aren't your average pancakes. They're fluffy, super fast to whip up, and when you pair them with a savory vegan sausage, you're easily getting over 20 grams of protein. It's a game changer for breakfast. Sometimes the simplest things are the most satisfying, and that's definitely true for our next breakfast idea. I picked up this gorgeous sourdough bread from our local health food store, and it's the perfect foundation for what we're making today. We're making toast two amazing ways. These aren't just your basic toast. They're packed with flavor and designed to be high-protein vegan breakfast ideal that keeps you full and energized for hours. Whether you like savory or sweet, these are both incredibly simple to whip up, but they deliver big on taste and satisfaction. Now let's move on to something that's not only incredibly delicious, but also surprisingly quick to make. We're talking about a creamy, dreamy yogurt that's completely vegan. The secret ingredient here is soft tofu. Don't let that surprise you. When blended, it creates the most amazing silky smooth yogurt base. And the best part, the 3-minute vegan yogurt is so easy to make. While the original recipe is quick, we're going to make a quick granola to add to the parfait. We're layering this creamy tofu yogurt with crunchy homemade granola and sweet frozen blueberries for that perfect parfait. It's a breakfast that feels fancy, but couldn't be simpler. This yogurt is so thick and creamy, it almost reminds me of like a Greek yogurt texture, and the key to getting that texture is definitely using canned coconut milk. Absolutely delicious. Okay, so we're here in Mexico, and you know what that means. Incredible food everywhere you look. But sometimes you want those bold, authentic flavors without compromising your plant-based lifestyle. That's where this recipe comes in. We're taking all those amazing Mexican spices and flavors and packing them into a delicious breakfast burrito with tofu scramble that's completely vegan and loaded with protein. We're talking seriously satisfying. Tofu is the star here, transforming into a flavorful scramble that's packed with protein and ready to fuel your day. And when you wrap it all up with beans, veggies, and your favorite salsa, it's a match made in heaven. Thanks for spending your morning with me. These recipes are my go-to favorites, and I'm so happy to share them with you. I'd love to see your twist on these recipes, so tag me if you make them. And don't forget to save this video and add it to your playlist so you'll always have it on repeat. Check out the link below for my cookbooks, coffee, and more plant-based goodness. I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye for now.